Now, let us discuss about the nervous system and endocrine system in humans, in detail one by one. Nervous system in humans. A system made up of nerve cells is called nervous system. The nervous system helps all other systems of our body to work together. It allows human body to perform activities like eating, drinking, running, etc. It also coordinates things which we don't have to think about, like heartbeat and breathing system. The nervous system receives information from the surroundings, processes it, interprets it, and then responds accordingly. It also passes information from one internal system to another. The nervous system comprises of brain, spinal cord, and a huge network of nerves. We know that the nervous system comprises huge network of nerves. Let us discuss about the unit of nervous system, that is neuron. What is neuron? Neuron. The units which make up the nervous system is known as nerve cells, or neuron. Neuron is the fundamental unit of the nervous system. Neuron is the largest cell in the body, which look like an electric wire. Neuron structure is specially adapted to be able to carry messages over large distances in the body quickly. Neuron carry messages in the form of electrical signals, called electrical impulses, or nerve impulses. Structure of the neuron. Neuron consists of three parts, namely cell body, dendrites, and axon. Let us discuss about each part in brief. Cell body. The cell body of a neuron contains cytoplasm and a nucleus. It is mainly concerned with the maintenance and growth. A number of long and thin fibers are stretching out from the cell body of a neuron. They are called nerve fibers. Dendrite. The shortest fibers on cell body of a neuron are called dendrites. Dendrites receives information from axon of another neuron and passes the messages towards the cell body and then along the axon. Axon. The longest fibers on the cell body of a neuron are called axon. The axon has an insulating and protective cover of myelin around it. Myelin is made of fat and protein. Axon passes messages to another neuron through a junction called synapse. A synapse is a gap between two neurons. Let us move on to different types of neurons. There are three types of neurons. They are sensory neurons, motor neurons, and mixed neurons. These neurons carry information in the form of electrochemical signals called impulses. The nerve impulses travels from the brain and spinal cord to the muscles located throughout the body. Now, let us discuss about the functionality of each type of nerve in brief. Sensory neurons. This neuron sends messages from the sense organs to the spinal cord and brain. So, our sense organs provide the nervous system with information about the environment by means of seeing, hearing, etc. Motor neurons. These neurons carry messages back from the brain and spinal cord to all the muscles and parts in the body. Mixed neurons. These neurons carry both sensory and motor neurons. Now, let us discuss how the nerve impulses are transferred from one neuron to another in the nervous system. Before we move on to nerve impulses, let us discuss about nerve. Axons, or nerve fibers, are bundled and enclosed in a sheath to form a nerve. Nerves are seen to be thin threads that emerge from brain, spinal cord, and branch out to all parts of the body. Nerves carry messages back and forth to all parts of the body. Nerve impulse. When a neuron is stimulated, the dendritic tips of nerve cell generates a tiny electrical impulse. This impulse travels from the dendrite to the cell body, and then along the axon to its end. At the end of the axon, the electrical impulse releases some chemicals which cross the gap called synapse and start a similar electrical impulse in a dendrite of a next neuron. The above process continues till the impulses from the neurons are delivered to the other cells, such as muscle cells or glands. Let us discuss about organs of human nervous system. The main organs of the nervous system are brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The brain is located in the skull of our head. The spinal cord is a very thick nerve which runs inside the cavity of backbone in our body. The upper end of the spinal cord is attached to the brain. The nerves are a kind of wires which are distributed all over the body. The brain and spinal cord are connected to all the sense organs and other parts of our body by millions of nerves. Nerves are mainly divided into two types. They are cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Cranial nerves are connected by all the parts in the head directly to brain. Spinal nerves are connected by all the remaining parts of the body to the spinal cord. There is also a third type of nerves called visceral nerves. Most of these nerves are connected with the internal organs of the body to spinal cord, though some are connected to brain. The cranial nerves, spinal nerves, and visceral nerves are of two types: sensory nerves. The nerves which carry messages from the body parts to the brain or spinal cord are called sensory nerves. Motor nerves. The nerves which carry message from the brain or spinal cord to the body parts for action are called motor nerves.